Are you tired of the endless battle against clutter and chaos in your home? Do you find yourself constantly procrastinating when it comes to cleaning, only to end up feeling overwhelmed by the mess? If so, you're not alone. Let's jump right into the first important point to motivate you to clean. Set achievable goals. When it comes to cleaning, one of the most effective strategies is to set specific, achievable goals. This approach breaks down the often overwhelming task of cleaning your entire house into manageable, bite-sized pieces. It's like tackling a puzzle. You start with one piece, and before you know it, the whole picture comes together. Start by taking a moment to assess your space. Instead of thinking, "I need to clean the house," identify specific areas or tasks. For example, decide that today you will organize your bookshelf, tomorrow you'll clean the kitchen counters, and the day after, you'll tackle the laundry. These smaller goals feel much more achievable than the daunting idea of cleaning the whole house. Be realistic with your time and energy. If you're a busy person, don't set yourself up for failure with overly ambitious goals. Maybe your goal for a busy Wednesday is just to put all the dishes in the dishwasher. That's perfectly fine. Additionally, make your goals as specific as possible. Instead of saying, "I'll organize the living room," say, "I will sort through the magazines on the coffee table and vacuum the rug." This clarity gives you a clear task and an endpoint, making it much easier to get started and feel accomplished once it's done. Remember, the key to setting specific, achievable goals is to acknowledge your limits and work within them. Every small step you take is a victory in maintaining a cleaner, more organized space. Over time, these small steps add up, and before you know it, maintaining a clean and tidy home becomes a much more manageable part of your routine. The second most important thing to do to organize your space is to make a plan. Creating a cleaning schedule is like setting a roadmap for tidiness in your life. It's about breaking down the tasks into regular, manageable intervals so that cleaning doesn't become an overwhelming chore. The beauty of a cleaning schedule is that it can be customized to fit your lifestyle, ensuring that maintaining a clean home is both practical and achievable. To start, divide your cleaning tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly categories. Daily tasks are small, routine activities that keep your space in order, like washing dishes or tidying up living areas. Weekly tasks might include more thorough cleaning, such as vacuuming, laundry, or cleaning bathrooms. Monthly tasks are for those areas that don't require frequent attention, but still need regular care, like cleaning windows or organizing closets. Here's an example of a simple yet effective cleaning schedule that you can adapt to your life. Daily: wash dishes, wipe down kitchen counters, quickly tidy up living areas. Weekly: Monday, vacuum and mop floors; Tuesday, dust surfaces and clean mirrors; Wednesday, laundry; Thursday, clean bathrooms; Friday, change bed linens; Saturday, Sunday, rest or catch up on any missed tasks. Monthly: first weekend, deep clean kitchen; second weekend, organize closets; third weekend, clean windows and any other glass surfaces; fourth weekend, rest or tackle any seasonal tasks. This schedule is just a template. Feel free to shift tasks around to suit your schedule better. The key is consistency. By sticking to your schedule, cleaning becomes a habit rather than a dreaded task. Over time, you'll find that maintaining a clean home is less about doing all the work at once and more about taking small, regular steps to keep your space welcoming and tidy. If you are more of a digital native, consider using cleaning apps to boost your motivation and efficiency. For instance, Toady stands out as an intuitive tool that lets you manage cleaning tasks based on actual needs rather than rigid schedules, making the process more responsive to your real-life situation. Sweepy is another innovative app that helps you create a personalized cleaning schedule, complete with progress tracking and reminders. This app is particularly helpful for those with a busy lifestyle who still want to find time for cleaning. Rewards. To further enhance your motivation to clean, also consider the power of rewarding yourself. This technique transforms cleaning from a chore into something enjoyable, where each completed task leads to a rewarding experience. The concept is simple. When you complete a cleaning task or adhere to your cleaning schedule, you treat yourself to something that brings you joy or relaxation. This positive reinforcement makes cleaning more appealing and transforms it into a habit that is rewarding both literally and metaphorically. The key to this approach is choosing rewards that genuinely motivate you. It could be as simple as allowing yourself a cup of your favorite coffee after tidying up the kitchen, watching an episode of a beloved TV show after vacuuming, or indulging in a warm, relaxing bath at the end of a day spent deep cleaning. The reward should be proportional to the effort. Smaller tasks might require smaller rewards, while completing larger or more demanding tasks could justify more significant treats. For instance, if you've spent a Saturday afternoon decluttering and organizing your home office, you might reward yourself with a night out with friends, a special meal, or purchasing something small you've had your eye on. Cleaning becomes a goal-oriented activity where the satisfaction of a job well done is paired with a material, enjoyable reward rather than a mundane task. Remember, the goal of this strategy is to create a positive association with cleaning. Over time, you'll view cleaning tasks less as burdens and more as opportunities to earn something delightful for yourself. This shift in perspective can be incredibly effective in maintaining a clean and organized home environment. Make it enjoyable. Another effective tool for staying motivated is to make cleaning more enjoyable. This can be accomplished by incorporating elements into the cleaning process that add fun, relaxation, or even a sense of accomplishment. When cleaning feels less like a chore and more like an enjoyable pastime, you're more likely to do it regularly and with a positive attitude. Here are some ways to make cleaning more enjoyable. Listen to your favorite audio. This could be music, a podcast, or an audiobook. Create a special playlist of upbeat songs that energize you and play it only when you're cleaning. This not only makes the time pass more quickly, but also creates a positive association with cleaning. Turn cleaning into a game. Set a timer and challenge yourself to complete a task before it goes off. This adds a sense of urgency and fun to the process. You can also turn cleaning into a competitive game if you live with others. See who can tidy up their area the fastest or the most thoroughly. Involve family or housemates. Cleaning can be more enjoyable when it's a shared activity. Set a time for everyone to pitch in together, making it a social event. Afterward, you could have a group reward, like watching a movie or playing a game together. Enjoy the process. Focus on the sensory aspects of cleaning. Appreciate the physical activity, the smell of the cleaning products, the satisfaction of seeing a dirty surface become clean. This mindfulness approach can turn cleaning into a form of stress relief. By adding these elements of fun and enjoyment, you might even look forward to your next cleaning session. Visualizing the end result is a powerful technique often used in various aspects of life, from sports to business, and it can be equally effective when applied to cleaning and organizing your space. This strategy involves creating a vivid mental image of what your home or a specific room will look like after you've completed your cleaning tasks. It's about seeing the benefits before you even start, which can provide a significant motivational boost. Imagine walking into a room after you've finished cleaning it. Picture the surfaces shining, the floors spotless, and every item in its rightful place. Visualize yourself feeling relaxed and content in this clean and organized environment. This mental picture can be a strong, motivating factor. It's not just about the physical appearance of the space, but also about how it will make you feel. A clean and orderly environment can lead to a more peaceful mind, increased productivity, and a sense of accomplishment. When you're struggling to start cleaning, take a moment to close your eyes and vividly imagine the finished space. Think about the sense of achievement you'll feel. Imagine the ease of moving through a clutter-free room or the calmness that comes with a tidy and organized living area. This visualization can be a powerful catalyst to get you moving. Also, consider the long-term benefits of a consistently clean home. Visualize living in a space that's always ready for guests, where you can relax and unwind without the nagging thought of uncompleted chores. This isn't just about a one-time cleaning effort, it's about creating a lifestyle change that continuously contributes to your well-being. Incorporating visualization into your cleaning routine turns a seemingly mundane task into an exercise in creating your ideal living space. It's about more than just cleanliness. It's about crafting an environment that reflects and supports the best version of your life. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. Also, watch our next video on mastering self-discipline. It's a game changer for personal growth and success. Stay tuned and join our community for continuous improvement. Thanks for watching.